What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I'm sorry. I know I've been slacking a little bit getting some content out, but I don't know, things just got super busy after Bash, coming back, trying to get the car together. You guys probably already saw by the title, obviously. After a long time of needing one and having to borrow a truck, having to, figure out tow situations for different events and stuff, it's always a struggle, always a hassle. Trucks falling through last minute and whatnot. I knew I needed my own truck. I was just waiting for the right one, waiting for kind of saving up enough and whatnot, and finally decided to pull the trigger on a new truck. Here it is. This is the new truck. I am super stoked on it. It was definitely something that I've wanted for a long time. Let's talk about it, what it is, why I got it, what I got it for and all that. And then I'll tell you guys kind of a couple things about it. So this here is a 1995 Ford F250, single cab, obviously, single cab long bed, Powerstroke. It's a 7.3 diesel. These things are just absolute tanks. This is the old body style called an OBS, and I really wanted one of these. As you guys saw in a couple videos ago, the truck that towed me up to Oregon, which wasn't originally the person or the truck that was supposed to tell me, again, about trucks falling through and stuff. That truck that you guys saw, Seth's truck, is the exact same truck. His is a 96, I believe, and it's an extra cab. Obviously, mine is a single cab. Now, that was kind of a big thing for me, is I really wanted an extra cab because it really helps to have the extra space, especially using this thing to tow long distances. Just being able to put our bags in the back, our backpacks and just like helmets and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, I really wanted to get an extra cab. Then when I saw this truck and the deal that I was able to make with this guy, I was like, okay, yeah, it'd be really cool to have the extra cab, but this thing's a pretty good deal. Realistically, I could probably flip it later if I wanted to, and I found an extra cab and I really decided I needed one. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So anyway, this thing is pretty awesome. It's lifted. The dude said it was 4 inches all around. I'm not sure if the front's 4 or 6 inches though, because I'm new to truck stuff, but the leaf springs that come on this truck are 2 leafs, and these are 6 leafs. And we picked up some 4 leafs for Kyle's truck, and those were 4-inch lift. So I'm like, okay, if 2 leafs are 2-inch lift, 4 leafs are 4-inch lift, I have 6 leafs, does that mean 6-inch lift? I don't know, comment below. I'm new to trucks. But anyway, so 4, maybe 6-inch lift, at least in the front. The rears does look like it's got like 4-inch blocks. It's on 37s, 37 by 13 and a half, 18-inch wheels. Tires definitely need to be replaced soon, so that's gonna be something. And I think I'm gonna actually drop it down to 35s. Reason being is it looks great on the 37s. It actually drives really well too. It's pretty stiff just because it's, super lifted. But aside from that, it looks good. I like the 37s. It's just honestly the fuel mileage. So I bought it to tow. I averaged so far like 13 miles to the gallon just cruising it with no trailer or anything. And it's just going to get worse once I'm towing. So if I drop it to 35s, I'm hoping that'll save me a couple miles per gallon. So we'll see. Anyway, so plan is 35s, and they're just cheaper tires. These 37s are going to be super spendy. I haven't even started looking at tires because I know it's going to be a big expense, but whatever. Those will come soon. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the inside. So this is, if you guys are new to what these trucks are, this is a Powerstroke Diesel. So this is a V8 diesel engine, which is dope. That's what I really wanted. There's a lot of gasser trucks in that price range that I spent, and I thought about it a lot, but ultimately I just really wanted diesel. So it came with a ton of cool stuff that I already would need to do to the truck. It came with full set of gauges. It came with a TS 6-position tuner. Came with trailer brake module. Pretty clean interior. I did buy a new dash mat because the one that was in it was super gross. So a nice new black dash mat. Seats were in pretty good condition. It's kind of starting to tear here. I'll probably do a seat upgrade on it. I've been researching that. This thing, Kyle and Brian just had in an extra truck that they gave me, which is kind of nice because it doesn't have any cup holders otherwise. So that's pretty much it, the interior. All right, so the front end has the Dana 60 front end swap, the front axle swap. So it's a solid front axle. And I guess these are out of a Super Duty truck. So just a nice heavy duty front end. Oh yeah, it's got a Wicked Wheel upgrade on the turbo. The dude gave me an intercooler for it off of a Super Duty. It's enormous, and there's the piping for it right here. Boom. Anyway, so the new truck, it's enormous. I'll show you guys some other, we'll go for a drive later, maybe another video. As of right now, I'm gonna kind of just show you guys, we basically, right after I bought the truck the next weekend, we took it up to Tahoe for this event that they do out in Tahoe called Lake2o every year. This is the 3rd year that they've done it. It's just a couple local guys from Sacramento who decided to put on just like a big, 5-day car event, kind of like H2O out in the East Coast. So it's Lake2o up in Lake Tahoe. It's pretty cool. But this is my first year going, and we took the truck, and the 240 is just not in a condition to go. So didn't take the 240, took the new truck, and it did great. Driving up there was super nice. Had no issues all the way there, all the way back. And anyway, so I took some footage of just up there being at the car meet that we went to and just kind of hanging out and whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed that. That's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So